Got a feeling we are something. Could've seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow, 'cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my what you think?
Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. For my new subscribers, you are very much welcome to the family. For the returnees, thank you so much for always being here. So if you are coming across this channel and you haven't subscribed, please take your 1 second to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that when I post a new video, you will be notified of the same. So thank you so much all of you for being here. Today we are doing a cleaning video, and later on we'll be making breakfast together. So I'm in my master bathroom, yeah, so I'm just cleaning my twins bags because they are dirty. They will be going to school tomorrow, and so their bags are dirty and they need cleaning. So later on after this I'll be cleaning my bathroom, so stay tuned. I hope that you get some motivation to clean your bathrooms. Yeah, so please like, share and leave a comment in the comment section below, guys.
You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow, 'cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my head. What you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Your fingers tell me slow, 'cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my
We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry.
So after cleaning their bags, I'll start cleaning the washroom. So I'll go in with my toilet cleaner and some scoring powder, Vim specifically, and just go ahead and scrub using this kitchen utensils cleaner.
I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna Doesn't wanna fall in love. May not see eye to eye, but we can be chill for just.
After that, I will start cleaning the tiles. So in my tiles water today, I'm trying out something different. I usually clean with powder cleaning detergent only. So today I'll mix scoring powder, the cleaning powder, the laundry powder and the toilet cleaner, yeah, just to see if it does a good job. And actually it did a good job. Yeah, I can't complain, it did a very good job. And I will just go ahead and start scrubbing my tiles. So let me know, how often do you wash your washrooms, guys? If you have a master bathroom, how often do you deep clean it? And if you have a common bathroom, how often do you deep clean it, guys? Yeah, I know for the toilet itself and the sink, most homes, 99% of the homes clean it daily. But how often do you clean your tiles and the floors? How often do you deep clean your toilet? So let's chat in the comment section below. Let me just know if you clean it weekly or monthly or whatever. Just let me know. For me, I deep clean it mostly weekly. Yeah, and but for the normal cleaning, that one is of course daily. And I like cleaning my floors immediately after showering. Yeah, after showering, that's when I normally clean my floors and the toilet bowls.
We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna feel. Doesn't wanna fall in love. May not see eye to eye, but we can be chill.
This washroom is normally very small, so while taking a video, it's difficult to stand and just let the camera let you guys see clearly. So some parts you might see me by the back side, but it's because the toilet is small, and shooting while cleaning this toilet is normally a task, guys. So apologies for that. So in my toilet bowl, I'm using the toilet cleaner and the scoring powder. I've mixed them together, so I will let it settle as I wash the outside part of the toilet.
Fall in love. Oh, yeah. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Yeah. Doesn't wanna fall in love. I am broken, words unspoken. I'm afraid I'm drowning underneath. I got lost inside my feelings. Now I can't seem to find my way to breathe. Need you by my side. I can't sleep at night. Let's get lost in time. Leave it all behind. Life can get so rough. Hope that I'm enough. Let me be the one for you.
It's now time for the toilet floors, so I am using scoring powder as usual. I love scrubbing my floors using scoring powder, and I'm going in with scoring powder plus the laundry detergent powder. So I bought this broom. Normally I usually have a very tiny broom that requires me to bend, but today I just went to a nearest shop and bought this broom at around 170 Kenya shillings, and it's doing a very nice job, guys.
I just wanna be the one you need. And now I need you by my side. I can't sleep at night. Let's get lost in time. Leave it all behind. Life can get so rough. Hope that I'm enough. Let me be the one for you.
I'm now done, so I'll just return the cleaning products that I normally use in this toilet. Yeah, so I will return them. I usually put them at the window, and then I will go ahead and return my tissue paper and my showering gloves. Yeah, so this toilet needs a revamp. Yeah, I've never done anything in this toilet, but it needs a revamp, and I'm planning about that, guys. So one of these days, maybe in 2 months time, you will see a revamp of this bathroom. So let's now hang the few clothes that I was washing before we started cleaning the washroom. So I'll just hang them at the balcony because there's no need of going all the way to the rooftop to hang just a few pieces of clothes.
Now I need you by my side. I can't sleep at night. Let's get lost in time. Leave it all behind. I can't get enough of that I'm in love. Let me be the one for you.
So guys, while I was cleaning the bathroom, Hubby was doing something else. Yeah, last time I had told you he had washed our living room carpet. So today he's off duty and he offered to help with the bathroom, with the bedroom carpet, guys. It was so dirty, yeah, and I just couldn't stand it. So he offered to help and he's here just cleaning it, guys.
Leave the world around us. They don't need to know. Come find me where the sun sets and say you'll never let me go. You're the one I want. Say you need me. Hide away our love. Don't let go. I know you feel the same. Say you need me.
So I was shooting from the rooftop. I couldn't shoot for you the complete carpet cleaning because I also had a premiere that was premiering and I also needed to make breakfast, guys. So I was kind of busy. So I had just had to show you a short clip of him washing the carpet. So I finished with the cleaning and now I want to make some breakfast, some simple breakfast, and I'm going to make pancakes, yeah, banana pancakes. So I will be using 2 bananas. I will be using 2 bananas. So 2 bananas in the blender. Then I'm going to add half cup sugar. I'm going to add half cup sugar and then I'm going to add my 2 eggs. 1 and 2 eggs. So next I'm going to add in just a little bit of vanilla essence. I love my pancakes with either lemon essence or vanilla essence. Then I'm going to add in my half cup of milk. Yeah, I'm going to add in my half cup of milk, and I'm going to add in some little oil. Yeah, that is enough. 1 tablespoon of oil. And then I'm going to blend. Yeah, I'm going to blend them together. So they are ready. I'm going to remove this because of space. So I'm going to take my bowl. This is 1.5 cup flour. Yeah, this is 1.5 cup flour. I'm going to add in just a little bit of baking powder. A half tablespoon baking powder. Then I'm going to mix. I'm mixing it so well. Yeah. So then I will go in with my. Then I will mix them together.
Leave the world around us. They don't need to know. Come find me where the sun sets and say you'll never let me go. You're the one I want. Say you need me. Hide away our love. Don't let go. I know you feel the same. Say you need me. 'Cause you'll always be my broken love. Broken love.
So after preparing the whole mixture, you will just go ahead and grease the pan and then start putting our dough on the pan so that it can cook.
They don't know how we love when we're lying close. With you, I know I belong. Without all eyes on us, you're the one I want. Say you need me. Hide away our love.
Something else that I'm planning to purchase for my kitchen, guys, is a pan and non-stick sufurias. Yeah, I have sufurias that have really served me for long, so it's now time to purchase some sufurias, and very soon, guys, I will be doing that. I just haven't decided on which particular sufurias that I want, but when I get to purchase them, you will definitely see them. So these are my pancakes. See, they are well cooked. They are very, very well cooked. Just that I don't have a non-stick pan, so they usually tend to darken. Yeah, but they're okay. So let me serve myself some black coffee and pancakes, and let me see you in my next video. Thank you so much for always being here, for your support. I really appreciate. Please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell, guys. Goodbye. See you in my next one, guys. Love you.